Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we are going to review another passive income project which is called as StableFund. And StableFund is basically a wallet kind of project. You don't need to invest and like hold your deposits for the longer run. So it's basically same scenario as a trust wallet or any sort of exchange. So before we start the video, I would request you to please like and subscribe to my channel. And any advice given on this particular platform is not a financial advice. So please do your own research before you invest in this particular project. So once we will land on the main page of this particular website, which is called as StableFund.app, and you can see it says the world's most advanced crypto wallet. Protect your digital asset with industry leading security, which is good. Trade crypto, stake and earn. That's one of their important feature, and you will be getting daily returns on whatever assets you are holding. Store all your crypto in one place, so you can add all of the coins here and just store it. The good thing is they have basically launch their apps on Android and iOS. You can download them from Play Store or App Store. So once we scroll down a bit and let's see what are their highlights. So it says maximum profit. So Stable Fund is a state of the art trading bot app that offers market leading profits on crypto trades. It uses next generation technical analysis and trading strategies developed and executed by a team of professional crypto traders. So that's one of the important things. Continuous growth. Stable fund bots run day and night seamlessly to ensure the pool of funds keep growing. The users can deposit, withdraw capital, generate rewards, and create passive income. It is very simple and easy to use. In terms of the daily return, so Stable Fund offers a solid 1.5 daily return on your investment, and this is guaranteed. It's much better if you don't want to use like your energy or your own brain to read those charts, then RSI and some other stuff. So this project is more stable. What you need to do is you just stake, and on daily basis you will be getting 1.5% return, which in my opinion is not bad. The users deposit Matic in a pool with bots. So they are using Matic coin. So remember that thing, which over time invest the funds in most profitable trades and to get most of the return. So these are the three main highlights of this particular project. Now let's go down a bit. Everything you need in crypto simplified. So you can even swap crypto, directly swap tokens from your desktop or mobile wallet. The swap function integrates data from decentralized exchange aggregators to ensure you get the best pricing with the lowest transaction fee. That's one of another advantage. So if you're doing a swap, you won't be charged much like pancake swap and some other shitty swaps. And scrolling down a bit more, so that's their GUI. You can even trade crypto, you can buy cryptocurrencies like BTC, Ethereum, BNB, whatever you want, and then you need to stake and earn. So powered by a state-of-art AI trading bot built on Binance and Polygon chain, stake crypto and earn 1.5% rewards daily on your investment. So that's the simple scenario. Safely build your portfolio. So the Stable Fund Wallet is a secure crypto wallet that puts you in control of your crypto keys and data. Now you can safely store your crypto in one place. So it's basically more of a wallet thing, but it offers you staking as well. So new to crypto, so is everyone. So getting started here, you can just click and sign up. I'll show you, I've already signed up. I'll show you their GUI as feature in. So that's, they have also featured on bitcoin.com and couple of others, so even Nasdaq and some other stuff. So they are basically, I can say, like very popular. They are going to be very popular in future. They also featured on Bloomberg and couple of other Bitcoinists and tons of other blogs and channels. You can subscribe here, sign up for our newsletter, just put your name, email address, click on subscribe. That's the detail for download on App Store, get it on Google Play. That's their like at the rate link for Telegram, Instagram, then Facebook and Twitter. That's their address. Terms and conditions are already here, and that's the privacy policy. So that's their Twitter page. They have 498 followers, and this is expected to grow, but the project is promising. That's their Telegram group. You can join them. It's 2,940 members at the moment. The Instagram page and a lot of other stuff. So once you will click on get started, so what you need to do is create your account, which will be, let's say, you can create your account by signing up from your email address, and then it will ask you to enter your mobile number, which will be used for the verification purposes. Once you will land here, so same like Trust Wallet or any other wallet, they will give you a private key. So you need to download that private key. Please don't share your private keys with anyone, just for the security purposes. Once the key has been downloaded, you need to paste the same pattern, and then it will take you to the main page here. So that's dashboard.staplefund.app. So in the dashboard, you can see currently I have zero funds. I haven't deposited anything. Once I'll deposit, and you can see it's Matic, BUSD, BNB, and some other stuff which you can deposit, and you can stake it. And that's the live prices. So total invested Matic in this particular project is like it's in millions or billions. Total investors as of now are 3,345, and that's the total rewards which people have already accumulated, and it's 17 million, which is quite good. Now this is a dashboard which will show you the charts of the coins. Once I'll click on wallet, so if you want to receive or send, that's very simple. So just select the coin which you want to send, add the recipient's address, and that's it. If you want to receive any cryptocurrency in this particular stable fund wallet, simply click on receive, and then let's say if I want to add BNB, so that's your address. So that's your BEP20 address. So just copy this address, and then just deposit your money here. You can also deposit Ethereum, Matic, FTM, AVAX, and BUSD. These are the main coins which are being like supported as of now. If you will go to stake, it's very simple. So let's say if I want to stake my BUSD, very simple. So let's say if I have 1000 BUSD, right? So I just need to click on approve. The transaction will be done in the backend. So let's take an example. So on $1,000, right? So 1.5% of 1,000. Let's take an example. 1.5% of 1,000. So it's around $15, I believe. So you will be getting $15 every day. And in terms of like monthly return, so 15 multiplied by 30, you will be making $450, I believe, on in a month, which is quite good. So in short, your ROI, I will not say ROI because you can even withdraw capital, but just talking in terms of the generic stuff. So in terms of the ROI, I think we will be getting the capital investment back in maximum of 3 months, which is quite good. And these will be the details of your transaction ID and how you have whatever you have achieved, like what sort of profit you made, and how you have withdrawn your capital, tons of other stuff. And they have exchange like same like pancake swap that's coming soon. If you want to trade something, let's say I have BNB and I want, let's say, USD. That's the fiat currency. You can trade it. That's very simple. And in history, so you can see all of the details. As an example, whatever I'm depositing here and whatever I'm taking it out. So seems a very promising project, and it's very legit. The team is good. You can reach to them on, let's say, any platform like Instagram, Twitter, and anywhere, and they will be very happy to answer. I spoke to their team, and this is a nice project, much better than, I think, if you want to trade crypto from your own and losing money in future trades or spot. So it's much better. Just keep your funds here, get a 1.5% daily return, and that's good. When you feel like you got your ROI back, or if you want to hold it for the longer run, it's up to you. So please do your own research before investing, as I always say. So guys, that's it from my today's video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Share this video as much as you can, and thank you. Have a good one.